wonderful viewers. Welcome to Wanderlust Wonders. I am thrilled to have you join me on exciting adventure. Today we are diving into a journey that's bound to be full of surprises and breathtaking moments. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's vlog. Today we are in the bustling Abu Dhabi International Airport, ready to embark on an exciting journey to Kuwait. Join us as we explore the facilities, share travel tips, and take you along for the ride. Let's get started. Abu Dhabi Airport is a major hub connecting travelers from around the world with its modern infrastructure and world class amenities. It promises a seamless travel experience. We have just checked in, and now let's head to the departure gate. Traveling, it's crucial to arrive early, especially for international flights. The check in process at Abu Dhabi Airport was swift and security measures were efficient. Always make sure to have your documents, boarding passes, and passport readily available. One of the highlights of any airport experience, duty free shopping. Abu Dhabi airports boast a wide range of shops from luxury brands to local traders. Let's take a quick look and maybe grab a souvenir for our trip to Kuwait. Take advantage of duty free shopping to save on various items, whether it's chocolates, perfumes, or electronics. You might find great deals here that you won't get anywhere else. For those who have access, the airport lounges here are a heaven of comfort. From comfortable seating to delicious snacks and beverages, it's the perfect place to relax before your flight. If you have a long layover or access to airport lounges there through your travel rewards, make sure to utilize these facilities. They provide a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the main terminal. Our flight to Kuwait is about to depart, so let's head to the gate and board the plane. Buckle up and let's get ready for an incredible journey. We are now settled into our seats, ready to take off. Flying is always an exciting experience, and we are looking forward. Stay tuned for more updates during our flight.
اسحب الشريط المطاطي وتنفس بشكل طبيعي وتذكر ثبت كمامتك أولا ثم قم بمساعدة الآخرين.
If oxygen masks drop down, pull the yellow mask towards you. Place it over your nose and mouth. Adjust the elastic bands and breathe normally. Remember, secure your own mask before assisting others.
سترة النجاة موضوعة تحت مقعدك. عندما يطلب منك الطاقم الطائرة اسحب السترة من المكان المخصص. البسها من فوق الرأس ثم انفذ الشريط حول خصرك واربطها بإحكام. قم بنفخ السترة عبر سحب المرابط الحمراء بقوة نحو الأسفل. يمكنك أيضا نفخ السترة عند الحاجة عبر الأنابيب الحمراء. لا تنفخ سترة النجاة إلا
Now it's time for a takeoff. Here we go. Alright, let's step outside and look up. The canvas above is ever changing, a masterpiece painted by nature itself. Join me as we explore the enchanting dance of clouds and soak in this empty. Before we dive into the visuals, let's quickly talk about the different types of clouds we might encounter. From fluffy clouds to wispy circus clouds and the dramatic clouds, each type tells a unique story in the sky. The sun is playing hide and seek, casting shadows on the clouds, creating a dynamic and ever-shifting background. appreciate the dance of the clouds, I set up a time lapse. Will condense hours into just a few seconds, showcasing the incredible movement and transformation of the sky. I hope you enjoyed this peaceful journey with me. If you found joy in the beauty of the sky, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more nature inspired content. Until next time. Thank you for joining me on this magical cloud filled day. Just like life, each moment is fleeting, unique, and holds its own charm. Today's adventure is something special, and I can't wait to share every moment with you, from the vibrant streets to the hidden gems. We are in for a treat, so buckle up and get ready for a fantastic journey together. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out our future escapes. Now, let's the adventure begin. Thanks for being here, and let's make some incredible memories together. Off we go! That's it for now from Abu Dhabi International Airport. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Join us in the next video as we explore and discover. Until then, safe travels and see you.